Onen Chan Regan. Thank you for joining, bro. Thank you. Now the thing is, fire after fire. We are not cooling any fire. We are not. We are not. In fact, we are not. You don't know. Keep the support rocking. Keep the support. Keep the support. Support more harder than you ever did. You know. We are going harder. Me, I'm going harder this year. Not only this year until I breathe no more. I check away John by the. I check away John. I was young, you know. But then the audience was not there. Hello, how are you doing tonight? I'm okay, Ayela. I am very okay. I'm so good. I'm fit. I take away John, but then, you know, nobody knew about me. So this time that you know about me, when you hear the name Nash, just know there is good music. Not joke, but I don't joke with music, right? When you hear the name Nash, just know there is a banger. You're right, Nash. Support is needed from all stakeholders. You guys are on fire. Sure, tell them, the clones. Hey, thank you so much for the support. Thank you. Penzi, thank you for joining. How are you doing over there, wherever you are? Are you okay? Chotima Bear, big up to you, Nash. Big up to you too, Maria Cage. Me, when you hear the name Nash, just know there is a serious music, a serious song. After this song here, after this very original song, you guys are not gonna like what is going to come. Probably you are, you know. Me, I do good music. People who know good music will always vibe to my tunes. But then if you don't know music, you're going to do or talk whatever you want to say. I'm very proud of you, Giant. I am proud of you too, bro. Thank you for the love and support. If you know music, you'll not leave this page here where you are right now. You're going to be here for good. I'm telling you. So it's not gonna be easy. My name is Naze Official. Nya Kena Steven. I am an Acholi, full Acholi, Baba Acholi, Mama Acholi. I'm going to sing in Lebacholi until no more. Until Jalwe. I like that new song. Can you sing it, please? I just sang it. This song, very original. Tumajudogi no inyuta maichwinyi. Lo nyero me voloa tu my lindoga katia kalokeri. Lo dine me lokera. I'm bit free. O Jonne, very original. Jal bit free. Very original. An paromodini kunchunyi pemiro peiguaklo kechunyi kunchunyi pechiro beto organized. Feel free anamiti bera gonya ngato budipe beto organized. Feel free anamiti bera gonya elok mirini. Tammi kaino ni chol chunbe menodong megi. Mirini kaino ni chol chunbe menodong megi. How did you come up with Better Original? Better Original was a song I was doing in studio. I came to Gulu. I was not staying in Gulu by then. I've been in Gulu. Or want to produce money. Want to produce a LKP. LKP is a producer of vibe, non-stop vibe. He's a producer who loves music so much. So, Chope studio. Chope studio. So, Chago my instrument mogo, you know, jumpy instrumentals. Mogo instrumental kumano. Then, I picked interest in what he was playing. Then, I started creating something for that moment. Kirong no, Tareni, Nurong Angwaji Kopatoma Duang for Laka Collabo. I needed a collab with Batoro boy. I needed a collab. Then he kept telling me, first work hard. Your time to do a song with me will come. First work hard as Naze Official right now. So from that time there, I built a studio for Batoro boy, and the producer was playing something. I created a chorus, a very quick chorus during that time. my creating chorus come I fell in love with what I was singing at that time. Manu on guinea mate. I went outside. I know part of the wow. Oh, I chose part of. I want us to do the song together. I've always asked you for a collab, but then there is a song in the studio right now. I want us to do it together. Then I was like, no problem, let me come. I do a studio. I need part of Budogo. I met a gear away. Tuma judogi no nyutama ichini lo nyero me volowa tuma lindoga katie ka lokeri lo dine me lokera and bet free o jonne bet original jal bet free bet original and katie no imara kakoma pepe imara katie no imara Kakuma pea winyi nywara ojonne la kolo malam tamilok jui kum dano niene yappe yoko abedo ma wi aga kotok pilworo lok mogo makoni wero akok. So when I was singing like that, Pato came and joined me. Berki welo nemo berki lo reme mo mago akewa that day. Then market idea any rem Pato chwa hey go and sing. Yeah. All of them entered the studio. Chilo more done the studio. There was vibe. The producer was giving it all. One don't make it away, one part of as if we were competing, you know. And it was lively. It was really lively. Oh, thank you so much. This is the first flower I'm receiving today, and from a personal person. This over here, this person who sent me the flowers, the producer who produced for me, Pebalo. His name is Twisky Finger. Thank you for another gift. His name is Twisky Finger. Thank you, bro. Thank you for joining the live stream. Now, Bandung, one part of where of tomorrow, from beginning to the end, like one after the other. I'm gonna wear. We sang, and we completed the song. Modernity Studio, Kenya. The song was nice. Everybody was dancing. Everybody was happy about the song. There is a boy who was with me there in the studio. He's a baba, Narawi. That boy kept pressuring me for that song. That we wanna rush the water away. We wanna part in the water away. I know, bro. I need to follow Pato's program. By the way, I was so patient. Bit more laling. Bit apparently Pato and cannot release the song now. Watching it. For the ball of Gimara, come on. We need to wait for this time. You know. Ingela Chandong finally. We released the song, and there is the song. Don't tell me the song is not nice. Maybe you're just jealous. Telling the way, telling fan, you don't find that music is nice and you understand the language, then you're dead for burial. We are coming for your funeral. Tumanju dogi no inyuta maichuni. Lo nyero me volowa tu my lindoga katie ka lokeri lo dine me lokera and bet free o jonne bet original jal bet free bet original and paromo dini kun chuni femero pay magdane chuni pay guak lo chuni kun chuni pe chiro. Better organized, feel free, anamiti bera gonya ngatu budipe. Better organized, feel free, anamiti bera gonya iluk mirini. Tammi kaino ne chol chwinbe, menodong megi. Mirini kaino ne chol chwinbe. Tuma bet keni, kapero mo pori kumi chop keni. Ana wacha dawilo boni pemegi Tuma judogi no inyuta maichwini lo nyero me volowa. Write for me one song and tell me how it sang, then I go with it to studio. Okay, it's a good idea. That's a good idea. Writing a song for somebody, okay, like accepting for somebody to write for you is very professional when it comes to music. It's okay. I'm more than happy to do that. I like that song, bro. Yes. Big up on yourself. How are you doing, bro? Sheila, I'm proud of you too. I'm proud. I'm so grateful for your support. You guys are making me be right where I am right now. You don't know. Made much Omera supporting you from Yumbe town. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Thank you. Madam Papa Mera Madam Tia Begwa ma'am. This year is yours. Karoban Wajikuma no mega. But original. Akiva, I'm okay. How are you doing? Of all your songs, which one is your favorite? Bini konya atia ima apori ma keri, you take me so high. Nitwala la malvini mina mara, bini konya atia ima apori ma keri, you take me so high. Nitwala la malvini mina mara, love at first sight, aneni chora pori ma. More than 10 days. Paneno kumachako pa. Itekan latin pa mama. Nyapa mama. Ikane kwene. Nyapa mara. Chunya teka chele. Amiro neno komi. Amiro guru komi. Konki wacha. Kakineno dagona. I am crazy in love. So now that I can't wait for your collaboration with Clark's band, I can't wait for. Anything is possible. This is Uganda. Hey, nice. This is Boy Camp getting you live from Kumi University. Hey, Baba. Hey, in Amare. My favorite is Pedogi. Okay, that song go apart. Baby man, chunyu to atora. MCB40. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Tito Okelo. Akiva, Lamingla is one of my favorite songs, but then women amarful is a tear ma. Bini konya atia ima. Yapori ma kedi, you take me so high. Ichwala la malbini mina mara. Bini konya atia ima. Yapori ma kedi, you take me so high. Ichwala la mal Jal komi pe, atieka yenyo komi. Tibo koma pe, koma tieka lare kori. Chunya kan tia moto. Ateka mira la bena. Kamikane ye bin morado. When are you visiting Boyale, bro? Before the anytime, by the way, anytime. Boyale is home. I can't wait to first get business outside and come. I come home anytime I want. Cause you are in love. That's why you love the song. No. It's not because of that. The way I sang the song, it was so original, you know. Aware am I winning from beginning to the end. Pacho kamo pati muriazo mo pa, you know. I just started from the beginning. Wingwe, dung pebalo kede watie lurem pengawana chuli, pewa bit chalo like. VJ Piles. How are you? Yo, B40, I'm coming there anytime. Coming to Boyale anytime. Just expect me there anytime. You know? Hey, Boy Keys, I love you, bro. And Sam Parks, I love you, bro. What's the title of the song? What was the title of the song? You sang with Slick. That song is called Pangyo Ngomo Butimu Malak Beana. I'm waiting for your first show in London, nice. Bro, get a pressure. I'm coming back to Gulu, Anomiero, Warwate. Okay, that's possible. Everything is possible. Everything is actually Get TV. This is my brother. Bro, how is Pade? I missed you a little bit. How is Pade? Baruli, Maji. I love that vibe. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for the love, yeah. I'm very grateful. I'm grateful. I'm releasing another song maybe in 2 months' time, and I want you guys to, keep the same speed, keep the same support, keep the same love, keep the same everything. Okay? Don't drain my energy. Don't be steady, don't be original. Okay? Very original was a song I did before. Just can't wait for that new song coming. The new song coming, you're not going to like it. You'll know the reason why they call me Nays Official. You'll know why they call me Nays Official. My name is Nays Official. Nays Official. Okay? Everything that I bring is gonna be official. Power Kwala the corridor. And we run the mainstream. My favorite is a pie. Can you sing for me that? Oh, okay. Jalko ini fura pa kikeni kumia atie kari mona inte mudongi ini fura pa kikeni kumia atie kari mona inte mudongi kono chwala nining ko enini obutera nining kono chwala nining lok lobo ni obutuma nining tino rubitam Chinya jeka poro en uya pepie adamagat ni rik so bepe wilo be miriti maninin magate ka chero chegi mo bene pe me anyura Gulu I am 22 chegi mo bene pe me anena Toncho horikin pin ki kumenono Ton smartness hitoba kijeba nono Mise kujatie kibanya, kanya tie kiden, ikin pinywe woro, areno weki kon awara pana. Me pray, Lord God, you have help your son, ya bio kone obet chaloji, mutaka madano dwa ni waka dwa bene, onyo madano nyomo ni waka nyombene, ko eni fura pa kikeni kumia, atie kari mona inte mudongi, eni fura pa kikeni kumia, atie kari mona inte mudongi, kono chwala nining, ko loboni obutera nining. You are giving us music you have been missing. You make us very sure, bro. Sure, I've been doing nice music since, but then Kirana Manu Kenya Pogani. I do remember you. Indeed, you are Nays Official. I'm coming back to Juba and Omnier. Okay, hello. That's Northern UG. Sing Kong Nana. Okay, I'm going to sing it. I'm going to sing that song, but Nays Official.